Let's start with the three controller communication in between by using the message instruction and some produce console tag. So here we can consider first one is the message instruction communication between the three controllers. We have three controllers. One is controller on slot 202, slot 3, and slot 4. We have three controllers which are emulated controller 5570, and now we are going to check the communication between the three controllers. We have can configure all controllers emulator 5570 media, then CIP 5507, CIP 161, and C155. So here both the programs, we have three controllers available. One is the master controller, another is the slave controllers. Each program have a different master controller. Here is the CIP master, here is the media master, here is the C1155 master. So let's start with the communication. So we have configured the message instruction and the routine. So these are the routines. This is the main routine. We have configured the message instruction here, and we see the program data. Now we are writing data from one controller to another controller. For that we need to message instruction. Here we have read message instruction, here also read message instruction, and here also to read message instruction. Both the programs have two message instruction because we want to read data from the two different controllers. Is the controller one is the CIP controller. See the CIP controller. Here is the master CIP controller. Here is the medium master controller, and here is the uh, C11 C155 message master controller. And another two is the uh, slave controller. We are read data from these two controllers, and here we read data from these two controllers, and here also we read from the media and C155. So we have created the common utility, which is the shared utility. All the three controllers have the common utility we need to configure, because for the most message instruction, both the controllers, all three of them controllers have a same data type, which is required or which is mandatory to read data from the different controllers. So we have configured here the message CIP 161 message 1 and CIP 161 message 2, and here we have configured media message 1, media message 2, and here also we configured is the message C155 message 1 and message 2. Here, these are the two write data. These are the two write data. Here are the two write data. We see only one right now, and these some two read data. Here is the CIP 161 message C155. We are reading data in this tag from the C155, and this is the data read from this message media. We are reading data from the message data. When we write here, it will reflect here, and simultaneously it will reflect in the C155 message media. So we start with the one write data from the one controller we can write. So now we consider the first writable data is this one, is the CIP 161 message 1, and then we open this here. We have some data in the array, and then we read the CIP 161 controller data in the media controller. In the media controller, we just open that message instruction, media message CIP 161 data tag. In the data tag, we have same array, and see here data is here data, and here in the media data is the same. And again, we read the data into the C155 message CIP from CIP 161 here. Here we read the same array. See here also the same data. Now I am writing data here. I will just write some data here. and you see the all data is reflected similarly or simultaneously in the both the controllers. So now let's start with the media communication. From the media, we are writing data from the media controller. I just open the media message. Here is the media message array. Now I open the media message array, and here I open the read data array. Now just to go with the read CIP message media. Here is the read data, here is the write data, and here also see for the C155 we just open the uh, read data from the media is the CA15 message media. Okay. Then I will write data here and it will reflect with the another two controllers. I will write here data. See, both the controllers are reflecting the all data which is right here. It will reflect similar. So then we go with the last controller. Here is the my write data tag. I will just open the write data tag, and here is the read data tag in the media. I will just open the media read data tag from the C155. Here I will just open the array, and here again we want to read data in the CIP 161 from the C155. I will just open it. Okay. Now we have third controller. In the third controller, I write the data which will reflect in the another controller. Just look at it, and it will reflect in the another controller. Okay. Now that our message communication is done, now we can communicate through the message instructions simultaneously. Thank you.